People are offended when I tell them to invest in their brain. How dare you? I need more bokeh. I need a drone that does 90 miles an hour. How dare you say I'm stupid? Like literally, that's how people like come at me. How dare you, Ty? Why would I invest in my knowledge when I can just go buy the new DJI whatever? DJI has a new gimbal that's so what? None of that matters if you can't get a client that wants you to use that crap. You don't even know how to sell Steadicam work. You don't even know how to present it to a client to make sense where the average Joe would be like, you know what? I do want that with my video. You just got it. And you want to read specs off the box and you want to convince a client that they need that. This is a brushless 4-axle gimbal here. You need that? Yeah. And they like, what? Invest in this. Stop buying gear. Stop it.